Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. Latest handbags ideas and different beautiful handbags ideas for girls and women. I hope you like it. Beautiful and latest handbag styles and looks for girls. Great system for organizing your handbags to keep it hidden and affection, and you can use pouches, mini organizer or divider and beautiful ideas. If you have a collection of handbags, consider displaying them. Creatively in your home, like on a dedicated shelf or hooks on the wall. And research and implement proper care techniques for different materials such as leather and suede or fabric to make your handbag last longer. Share your most have items that you always carry in your handbags, from makeup to emergency supplies, and explore the latest trend in handbags, including style, colors, and materials, and see how you can incorporate them into your wardrobe. If you're looking for a gift, consider gifting a stylish handbag to a loved one. You can also explore personalized or homemade options.